what Mother Teresa had started to all the poor people. आखी गाम आणि रगत एक करून तेन हे संस्थाची कुयदाद गेली जी लोक जे आहले डेस्टिट्यूट दवरतू पुअर दवरतू द प्रेग्नेंट मदर्स द स्मॉल इन्फंट चिल्ड्रन लेपर्स हे सगल्यांक तेन केअर गेले विदाउट कास्ट क्रीड रिलीजन कांय भेदभाव कोण नासतना आणि अशेंच करून आयज परतून ही संस्था तेंकडे हँड ओव्हर कोची. आता ऑल्सो हिंगा सांगा सोदता म्हाका दिसना ही गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन जातोली अशी म्हूण टू टेक केअर ऑफ. वी आर देर, वी गोन्स आर स्टील अलाइव टू रन दिस. वी आर केपेबल ऑफ अँड वी आर रेडी टू हेल्प द कमिटी पीपल. ही संस्था रन करपाकू गोंयकार आहाय आणि आमकोडे जेश कोण घडटा विल बॅग अँड विल प्लीड द पीपल ही संस्था रन करपाक. म्हळ्यार ही संस्था परतून मिशनरीजां कडेन वयची. जेश कोण मदर तेरेसान स्टार्ट केल्लें तेशेंच कोण हे परतून कंटिन्यू करचें.
पुअरस्ट ऑफ द पुअर आनी डेस्टिट्यूटांक पळय हें दिल्लें हिंगा आमच्या पणजे ना म्हणून तेणें हें केल्लें ना. पणजे ना पूण त्या सर्टन प्रेशराचेर तेंगा हें जाल्लें आनी हे प्रेशराक हांव म्हजो योग एलन कोत्ता. तुमी तेंच्या मदें इंटरफियर जायनाकात. कित्याक हो पळय ही संस्था पळय आहा आनी हो पळय स्ट्रक्चर हिंगा आहा प्लेस पळय आहा ती तुमी मिसयूजाक कोत्तले आनी आमी हें कोत्तले म्हणून तुमकां आमी उगी रावचे ना. दुसरें हें वाशी आयलंड आमी जावपाक दिवचें ना. तेंकाय हांव सांगता कित्याक ही जी संस्था आहा ही ऑर्गनायजेशन आहा तेच्याच हातीन पडपाचें आनी ही आमकां गरज आहा की आयज जायते डेस्टिट्यूट आहा जायते आमचे लोकांची गरज गरजेक पडलेले आहात तेंकां हो आदार दिवचो. कित्याक गव्हर्मेंटाचो जावं कोणाचो इतलो सपोर्ट आहा पळय तो दिश्टी पडना. हे ऑर्गनायजेशन मदर टेरेसाचें येयचें हिंगा आनी परतून आपणाच्या ताब्यान घेवन जी पळय ती सर्वीस दिताली त्या कास्ट क्रीड जात कात पळय नासतना रिलीजन पळय नासतना ती संस्था हिंगा तेंच्या हातीन परतून जावची.
Mother Superior in Calcutta, Mother Joseph, to please reconsider your decision to come back here and run the home as it was earlier. And I request the Bishop House also to please request the Sisters of Calcutta, the Mother Superior of Calcutta, to please come back.
He is no doubt a saint, but a living soul in this place where the members of the committee had to take this decision, and I can say it's a real miracle to fix in their mind that whatever they had taken from them, that they are giving them back, and they want to continue this charitable work of Mother Teresa, where she, along with her blood and sweat, gave to the people from the poorest of the poor without discrimination of religion, caste.
ओके सर, आता ॲक्टिव्हिस्ट हांगा पावलेल्या तुमचे फुडें रिगार्डिंग संडे जनरल बॉडी मिटींग जाली न्हू, वॉट इज द रेजोल्युशन पास?
आमची संडे मीटिंग झाली ऑन 8th of June आणि following a request, I was requested by the activists to come and give a statement about the same. So I'm informing that should the missionaries of charity take a decision to come back and reconsider, they are most welcome to come back. We are giving them time to just rethink about their decision and accordingly inform us.
Madam, what is your say on the resolution taken by the managing committee of this Assisting the Goa?
म्हाका काल डॉक्टर लोबोन फोन मारलो and she was quite happy about news getting viral on social media. And it stated that Assistance at the Goa, ही कमिटी जी हा तेमी एक रेजोल्युशन पास केला की मदर तेरेसा गेली संस्था जी हा ती परतून सेम मिशनरीजांक दिची म्हणून. I salute the committee for taking such a bold decision. Now, I was very happy the moment I heard about this, and so was Miss Lobo. So I told Miss Lobo, let's come on the media and tell the Goans what the committee has done. So was a really good news. The very next moment I called up Marian, because starting Marianan जेन्ना न्यूज आयकलोलो की ही संस्था बंद पडपाची हा म्हणून, me and Marian, we gave a bite on social media stating that so and so incident has happened. Today, the entire Goa was aware what exactly had happened. Today again, the entire Goa should know that the committee did really a good work in regards to this particular missionary will be handed back again to Mother Teresa missionary itself. That's what they have passed out a resolution stating that ji संस्था run kotali Mother Teresa geli, they should reconsider and come back again. So I'm calling out to the Bishop House, please, this missionary which was run by Mother Teresa, to reconsider and get them back again over here to continue the good work what Mother Teresa had started to all the poor people. आखी गाम आणि रगत एक करून तेन हे संस्थाची कुयदाद गेली जी लोक जे आसले destitute दवरतू, poor दवरतू, the pregnant mothers, the small infant children, lepers, हे सगळ्यांक तेन केअर गेले विदाउट कास्ट, क्रीड, रिलीजन कांय भेदभाव कोण नासतना. आणि अशेंच करून आयज परतून ही संस्था तेंकडे हँड ओव्हर कोची. आता ऑल्सो हिंगा सांगो सोदता, म्हाका दिसना ही गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन जातली अशी म्हूण टू टेक केअर ऑफ. We are there, we Goans are still alive to run this. We are capable of, and we are ready to help the committee people. ही संस्था रन करपाकू गोंयकार आहाय आणि आमकोडे जेश कोण घडटा विल बॅग एंड विल प्लीड द पीपल ही संस्था रन करपाक. म्हळ्यार ही संस्था परतून मिशनरीजां कडेन वयची. जेश कोण मदर तेरेसान स्टार्ट केल्लें तेशेंच कोनू हे परतून कंटिन्यू करचें. हे कमिटी कडेन मागोता. आणि जेश कोण तुमी ही कमिटी घडून हाडली आणि जेश कोण ही कमिटी आहा तेशेंच करून ही कमिटी उच्ची. जायत जाण येतले ते कोणी धाडल्याय कोणी प्लांट केल्याय ते आमकां खबर ना. हुंच बिल्डर बी हितून प्लांट करूं सोदी तेंय आमकां खबर ना. बट हितून कोणे इंटरफियर जावपा न्ही, बिकॉज ही संस्था मदर तेरेसा गेली. आणि म्हाका दिसना आमगे मदर तेरेसा सांताचो मान मेळ्ळो हा ती हे रॉंग हँड्सां पडपा दिवपा ना. I pray to her, this should go to the right hands back again to the missionaries itself. I'm begging and pleading again to the committee that please consider this. And potun jeshko tumi resolution pass kela ki e missionaries ospa jai Mother Teresa geli ki potun oichi म्हणून. आणि एक इच्छाता आमगे लोकल एमएलए हुई गेल रे बाबा. हुई गेलो बिल्डर लॉबी हाडपा जाय तेंक दिवपा सोदतालो. तेका लागून तिस्तावणा तूं उतर बायसो नाही. ही कमिटी सेव करपाकू मदर तेरेसा गेली तुका लागना रे. तुवें पयलें येवपा जालो मरे मुखारी. आमची खबर सोड आमी एक तेरासून दुसऱ्या तेरा पावताय. तूं हिंगा पावना मरे. एक डांग मारल्या हिंग पावपा मरे तूं पयलो आसपा जाय आसलोलो. मोनजारा आतां सांगत हांव तूं पयलो आसपा जाय आसलोलो ही सेव करपाक. तुका लागना ओय तुवें चेंज केल रे. हांव इचाता बिल्डर लॉबीजांक हिंगा एंट्री दिवपा शिरपणा आनी तुमचो दोडोय हिंगाचो शिरपणा. दोड हिंग गाचनी पयले मदर तेरेसा दोडो काण ओडोय तुमगेलो सांगोता. हितू इंटरफियरन्स कोणे करपाक जायना. It belongs to Mother Teresa. Imagine, she is the one who is working wonders to different sources. He osparli ti pottun soy. It is a miracle that is working. पोत्तून सोय गुणोन ते बोलोनूच पोत्तून गेली. सो हांव हिंग मागोता आमगे बिशप हावजाक, हांव हिंग मागोता आमगे सिस्टर मेरीक, please, I'm pleading and begging with Sister Mary, please consider this and please come back again to run this work. We need you. Goa needs you all because you all are doing excellent job. Anybody and nobody can just run this firm. We will help you all. Our support is there. Goans are going to support. All the activists are going to stand by you all. All the activists and the people of Panjim, Goa will stand by you all. I'm also telling the committee, we are there. एक उल्याचेर आमी सोगली येतली. We are going to be there. कोणाक भिवपा गरज ना. कोणाक भिवपाची गरज ना. कित्याक ही कमिटी जी आहा, it belong to Mother Teresa missionaries and it will be with them only. इतले मागोता आनी हे कन्सिडर कोराय म्हूण आमगेल्या बिशप हावजाक सांगता. थँक्यू.
ज्या दिसा जो पळय आमकां न्यूज पावलो ताचो सोशल मिडियाचेर वा प्रेसाचेर की मदर टेरेसाचो मिशनरीज ऑफ मदर टेरेसा पळय हिंगा सुट्या सोडून वयता म्हणून आनी तेणी सांगलें की हा म्हणून आमकां हांवें मागीर फिडोलाक ह्यो कॉल केले हे हा कित्याक शी इज मोर एक्टीव इन सोशल सर्वीस आनी ह्यो आवाज तेजो हे करता म्हणून कितें आहा तें पळोवया म्हणून. आनी द व्हेरी फर्स्ट मुवमेंट आमी प्रेस घेतोच आख्ख्या गोंयांकूय आवाज जालो आनी जायत्या जाणांनी येवन आवाज केलो. तशेंच डॉक्टर लोबो आहा तेणें आपणाचे पेंजिमाचे हे करून एकठांय करून सगळे एक जावन तेजेर आवाज जालो. तसोच एनजीओ जाल्ले एक्टिविस्ट येयले सगळे. आनी आयज जो प्रेशर येवन तेंकांचेर पळय कोणें प्रेशर घाल्लेलो ते आयज खंय सायडीक पडलेल्या कडेन आहा. आनी एसन्से गोवन जे आतां रिजोल्युशन घेतलां की मदर टेरेसाक हे पोत्तून आमी तांकां दिता म्हणून आनी तांकां एक रेजोल्युशन तांकां पावतलें तेज्या उपरांत तेंकां येतलें म्हणून आमकांय आशा आहा. सो जे मदर टेरेसाच्या मिशनरीन जे पळय हे संस्था घडोवन आनी पुअरस्ट ऑफ द पुअर आनी डेस्टिट्यूटांक पळय हें दिल्लें हिंगा आमच्या पणजे ना म्हणून तेणें हें केल्लें ना. पणजे ना पूण त्या सर्टन प्रेशराचेर तांकां हें जाल्लें आनी हे प्रेशराक हांव म्हजो योग एलन करता. तुमी तेंच्या मदें इंटरफियर जायनाकात. कित्याक हो पळय ही संस्था पळय आहा आनी हो पळय स्ट्रक्चर हिंगा आहा प्लेस पळय आहा ती तुमी मिसयूजाक कोत्तले आनी आमी हें कोत्तले म्हणून तुमकां आमी उगी रावचे ना. दुसरें हें वाशी आयलंड आमी जावपाक दिवचें ना. तांकांय हांव सांगता कित्याक ही जी संस्था आहा ही ऑर्गनायजेशन आहा तेच्याच हातीन पडपाचें आनी ही आमकां गरज आहा की आयज जायते डेस्टिट्यूट आहा जायते आमचे लोकांची गरज गरजेक पडलेले आहात तांकां हो आदार दिवचो. कित्याक गव्हर्मेंटाचो जावं कोणाचो इतलो सपोर्ट आहा पळय तो दिश्टी पडना. हे ऑर्गनायजेशन मदर टेरेसाचें येयचें हिंगा आनी पोत्तून आपणाच्या ताब्यान घेवन जी पळय ती सर्वीस दिताली त्या कास्ट क्रीड जात कात पळय नासतना रिलीजन पळय नासतना ती संस्था हिंगा तेंच्या हातीन पोत्तून जावची. आनी म्हजो योग आनी एक हेंच्या मदें कोण डिस्पोट घालूंक येता कोण पळय हेचेर दवो दवरला आपणाच्या हेका लागून तेणी फाट करून तेणी वयपाचें हेचेर दवो दवरूं नाकात. आमी उबे रावतले अख्ख्या गोंयांत. आनी दुसरो गव्हर्मेंटान पळय फिदलान सांगला त्या हिसपान गव्हर्मेंटाचो हिंगा आमकां सपोर्ट नाका पळय तसो दिसता. कित्याक गोंयकार जावं आख्खो जायतो लोक आहा हे वयर मदर टेरेसाच्या मिशनरीक हेल्प करून आनी वयर काडूं. सो ही बऱ्यांतली बरी हांव मागता म्हजो रिक्वेस्ट करता मदर टेरेसान जें पळय हेंचें रेजोल्युशन वयतलें एसन्से गोवाचें तेणी तें स्विकार करचें आनी गोंयांत पळय बऱ्या भाशेन येचें आनी हेच्या मदें कोणूच इंटरफियर जावचो ना. जावं ते आमची रिलिजियसूय बॉडी म्हणून हांव सांगना कित्याक कोणूच हेंच्या मदें पडचो ना. जी पळय ती संस्था आहा तीच घेतली आनी एसन्से गोवा तेंच्या बराबरी आसतलो.
I'm Dr. Odette Lobo. On the 9th of May, on behalf of the citizens of Panjim, I had taken up this issue here and given a press conference about this missionaries of charity. And I'm happy that less than a month that general body meeting has taken the decision to call back the missionaries of charity to run this home. So it is a very great news which I got in yesterday's on the social media, and which I informed the other activists also about the great news. And it was a great news because it was a blessing from my mother who completed 17 years of her passing away. So perhaps my mother with the Saint Mother Teresa is trying to bring back the missionaries to the place. Because I remember when I was a small child, that there was a foreigner, a British fellow, who was passing outside and was poor. I mean, so he was sick and he was helpless. Like, so we brought and we kept him here at Missionaries of Charity. They did everything for him, and then we got in touch with his family at UK, and the family members came and took him. So, but these are the Missionaries of Charity who have taken this person and done everything for him. So now this is the only organization of the Missionary of Charity with unconditional love that they have done. They were doing the social work, and for nearly 49 years that they were here, they already had their setup. So since they had their setup and they are acquainted with the areas and with their work, I'm happy that the assistance has taken the right decision to call them back. I will humbly plead to the Mother Superior in Calcutta, Mother Joseph, to please reconsider your decision to come back here and run the home as it was earlier. And I request the Bishop House also to please request the Sisters of Calcutta, the Mother Superior of Calcutta, to please come back, because the Bishop House is the head of the state of the Catholic community. So on behalf of the Catholic community, I request the Bishop, the Cardinal, and the Cardinal to please request the Sister Mother Superior to please send them back, for which we are there to help them out in every possible way. Thank you, ma'am.
Yesterday on the social media, when I learned that the committee has already made a revert decision giving back to the missionaries of charity, Mother Teresa, and I was very happy to know about it. Secondly, she is no doubt a saint, but a living soul in this place where the members of the committee had to take this decision, and I can say it's a real miracle to fix in their mind that whatever they had taken from them, that they are giving them back, and they want to continue this charitable work of Mother Teresa, where she, along with her blood and sweat, gave to the people from the poorest of the poor without discrimination of religion, caste, of all types of sicknesses, right from the birth of the infants to the homeless women and the lowly. And I think that she will surely bless the committee by giving them back this institution, this place, and it will be all over run back with her blessings, and we will surely, Goans especially, will stand by with the institution to help them in all their circumstances. Thank you.
I, being the youth, support the cause of Mother Teresa, and Mother Teresa has struggled a lot in helping a lot of poor people, homeless, and you all know about Mother Teresa, of course. And also, I really request the missionary who has to continue the same forward, the good work of Mother Teresa. And I really appreciate the committee who took a very bold decision out of it. Thank you.